Hi, in this video we're going to create a timeline app. So again, it's the same thing as creating a standalone app. You just got to fill this form first. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and name the app and add a namespace. Then click continue. Do the CAPTCHA. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and add a image right here. Go to app details. I'm just going to add these three right now. Make sure when you add these images here that you add images that are exactly the size that they suggest. So 16 by 16, 120 by 120 pixels, and 75 by 75 pixels. And then that's all you have to do. Again, you could fill this information here. I highly suggest that you do. And then press save. Okay, so let's go back to settings. Okay, so now we have this information here. Let's go ahead and build our app. Again, always make sure when you copy and paste that it's at the end and there's no space. Okay, so now we could enable publish stream. If you want to post on the wall, I do. Okay, so for the fan gate, what we could do is we could have an image, or we could have some HTML. I'm gonna have some HTML for this one, and what I'll do for this video here is I'll just add HTML that from an editor, and just to show you how easy it is. So if you could use like an editor such as Composer, or you could even use something like Blue Voda, which is very simple and it's free also. I'll put some links down. So basically, again, this is just your choice. So you just go to HTML, and after you copy it, you just paste it right here, and you just click update. And there you go, and then you should see it in there if it worked properly. And there it is. So I just have these all already hosted, and everything. I have a video already there. So that's pretty easy. I like doing that. Okay, and for the reveal tab after this is before they click the like button. So after they click the like button, I'm just going to show you how we could just do HTML right here. Again, when you're doing this with HTML, remember that the width is 810 pixels wide maximum. Now for when you do an iframe, see, I prefer to do it this way, but if you want to do an iframe, that's fine also. But I suggest that you have the width even shorter. I suggest 780 pixels. For some reason, they'll add a scroll bar if you do it any wider than that. Okay, so here's the reveal tab that I created. So this is my website that I created, a custom that I built. That what I'm going to do is I'm just going to iframe it. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and copy the URL and paste it right here. Paste. And that's it for that. Now let's scroll down. To the autoresponders, again, this is the same as last time. So I'm just going to add in I use Aweber, so I'm just going to add in my list ID that I want to use. And then you go ahead and you fill this here for the post on the wall. Let me do that quickly now. So there you go, you just put the name of the wall post and the message here. I recommend you put also a call to action of the wall post, like click here or something like that. And that's basically it, and then you just click submit. And now again with this, let's copy this and go back to the developer section of Facebook. So let me copy the first section. And you put it in right here. Paste. Again, always make sure that it's all the way at the end. Doesn't really matter what the settings are here because it's going to be inside a tab the whole time, but I'll just keep it like that. And then just click save. Okay, so now we're almost done. So now go back to manage timeline apps, and you go to your app and you click add to page, and then here you go. So step 1, copy this line here, then go to the page tab. This is where you'll have to be careful to always hit the back. Make sure it goes all the way back. Add a name. That's going to be the name of the tab. So I'm going to call it social sharing. And then just go ahead and add an image. Click change to add it. And there you go. I just added this arrow as an example. And then you click save changes. And now there's one more step. Let's go back. And then you have to do step 2. So you click here. And now you add this to whatever page you want. So just hit the drop down and choose. Make sure you choose a tab and not an application, because when you hit the drop down menu, also your applications will show. And then just click this add button. Okay, let's go ahead and test it out. So if you have multiple tabs, just click this arrow, the drop down, and you'll see it there. And if you click, by clicking this edit button here, you could swap the position. Just click on the tab you want to swap it with. So for example, if I want to swap it with monetize apps, so now it's here at the top. Let's go ahead and click on it. So here's the first page before I liked it. And then once the user clicks like, they're redirected to the permission page. This is where you'll collect their email. It's integrated with your autoresponder. And they click go to app. And then they're presented with the wall post permission page. You can click skip or allow. They'll still go to your application to the next page, but if they click allow, there'll be a post on their wall. And this is the second page now, and this is an iframe for this one. This is what we did. And in later videos, I'll show you how to do how to put social plugins and things like that. And that's basically it. So basically, what happened here was you got someone to like your new page. You collected their email. You got some viral traffic from the application, plus there's a post on their newsfeed. And the post will look something like this right here. And when someone clicks on it, they go back to the tab, and if they haven't liked your page, they'll have to like it and click the go to app button to see the second video. And like I mentioned, this also integrates with your autoresponder. You've collected their email and you're already sending them emails. This is how to create a timeline app. I'll see you in the next video.